Hey folks, this is Andrew with Everwood Creations. Today, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video of my new Dovetail saw. I've been doing a lot of research and trying to figure out which Dovetail saw is going to be best for me. I'm currently using a Japanese pull saw for my Dovetails, but decided I wanted a nice Western style saw. I looked at a lot of different Dovetail saws on the market, and I ended up deciding on a new saw from Florip Toolworks. Florip Toolworks is not a sponsor of this channel. This is a completely unbiased unboxing and initial impressions review. The saw I ordered showed up today and I'm really excited to open it up and check it out. And so I thought, hey, let's do an unboxing video. And I'm bringing you along for the ride. I've been watching a lot of reviews on saws and have done a lot of research. I decided that I wanted a saw with a traditional folded back, not one that is permanently fixed with epoxy, as this allows you to retension the plate if something happens to cause a bend. As I was looking at the saws of this style, I kept seeing the saws from Eric Florip of Florip Toolworks come up, and honestly, the price point on them is pretty nice. So I ordered one, and apparently, his saws are getting pretty popular, so I've had to wait a while. But today, the wait is finally over. Obviously, there's a lot of protective packaging. I'll just set that out of my way. My understanding is that Eric is a fellow veteran, and he has kind of a one-person shop in Empire, Michigan, and he hand makes every one of these saws himself. I ordered mine with a cherry handle, and that is an absolutely beautiful cherry handle with a nice grain pattern. It has the traditional brass back, which is nicely polished. The saw plates are hand-filed and hand-sharpened. This saw fits my hand really well, and it smells like the handle is finished with an oil finish. Absolutely beautiful saw. Thank you very much, Eric. You do great work. And I think what we're going to need to do is some test cuts with it. Okay, so here I have a piece of red oak with some general dovetail type lines marked out on the board here. Pins and tails. This board is 3/4 of an inch thick, so it should give me a feel for how the saw cuts and tracks in the cut. Let's just do a few test cuts and get some initial impressions. The saw starts really easily, tracks very cleanly. As long as I do my job and not grip the handle too tightly. Absolutely fantastic. So there were a couple of pins. Let's try a couple of tails. Nice thin plate, nice narrow kerf, and extremely sharp. Very clean, fast cuts. Tracks straight, very comfortable in the hand. Honestly, I could not be more happy with this saw. So after using the saw for a while, I'll do a more in-depth full review, as this is just an unboxing and initial impressions video. All that said, my initial impression is that this saw looks beautiful and performs extremely well. Thank you very much, Eric, for the quality workmanship and attention to detail. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe down below, and we'll try to bring you more great videos. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have fun and stay safe in the shop.